Recently, I've been doing a lot of scary things which I was afraid to do my whole life, including dating, getting a job, and actually going towards my dreams and goals. If you're afraid to do something, it is the perfect moment to do it now. I always looked for, oh, when is the perfect moment? I was waiting for it. Guess what? The perfect moment is always now. I realized this some time ago. This is why I started doing this, because I was like, okay, I need to first get a job. I need to live alone. No, you can just do it right now. It does not matter when you do it, how you do it. You just do it right now. Your future self will thank you for it. Trust me. And this realization is so powerful. With this mindset, you can literally achieve anything because you're waiting for the perfect opportunity to show itself to you. But it will never show itself because it is always here. It's always now. So don't be afraid of it. And from my own experience, it is always the first moment in everything that is so scary. You know, when you look at social anxiety or anxiety in general, it tends to peak at the first moments, and the more you do it, the lower it's going to go. All right, you will actually start to see a decrease in anxiety. First, you are stuck in your head. You're saying that this is the scariest thing ever, and then you do it. It's not that bad. You do it again, it feels normal. You do it again, no problem. You see, the more you do it, the easier it's gonna be. But the first moment in everything is hardest. If you experience a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety, the first moment is the hardest, and the perfect moment to do it is now. All right? Always now, right now. I don't give a fuck about if you are feeling like you must achieve something, get a good body, get this job, make this amount of money. No, you can literally start right now. No, you must start right now. It does not matter what the fuck you are in right now, what situation you are in right now. You just need to start right now in any sort of area of your life. And guess what? At the end of the day, your future self will thank you for it. Overcoming these fears is something that you will be proud of yourself for. It will raise your self-esteem, your self-confidence. It will build you up. This is self-improvement, essentially. So, also, all the first things in life are the hardest, and the first moments are the hardest. For example, if you're wanting to start something, let's say you want to start a business, you want to start studying, you want to start learning how to edit stuff, first moments are always the hardest. But once you get it over with, it just gets easier. Once you get the ball rolling, you cannot stop. This is the second thing. If you start with something that was previously so hard, you had to literally gather up so much energy for you to even start it, you must keep going it once you start. Otherwise, you will fall back down. It's going to be so hard to start again. Once you start, keep going, and you will get momentum in what you do, and you will achieve your goals. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. I do self-improvement videos, and yeah, take care. And so today I was on my first ever date, and honestly, it was easier than I thought. You know, it was literally what I thought would be the scariest thing ever, but it turned out to be pretty normal. For a first date ever, I believe I nailed it.